2020 Giza is the leading sales and planning software for office design professionals that doesn't require AutoCAD. You can create appealing client presentations, develop fast, detailed quotes, design complex layouts, and generate a comprehensive bill of materials, all in one single software platform. Because many projects can begin with an AutoCAD drawing, Giza allows for import of an AutoCAD drawing through a file import function. When a drawing is not available and a field measure is necessary, Giza provides an architectural component that allows you to accurately draw walls, insert openings, such as doors and windows, and dimensioning to check your work. With Giza, while you're drawing in 2D, it is also drawing in 3D. Giza supports over 170 different furniture manufacturers. Using the furniture placement tool, you can easily access manufacturer's content, opening up a catalog, drilling down to an actual part number, and placing it in the drawing. Use Giza's right-click snap to accurately snap your furniture together. As with architecture, as you're placing furniture components in 2D, it is also drawing in 3D. Once your drawing is complete, use the worksheet icon to generate an accurate bill of materials. Worksheet is your specification and quoting tool. Once you're inside of Worksheet, you're able to accurately select finishes for each item within your worksheet to include any potential upcharges. Use Worksheet's intuitive discounting to discount your project. Worksheet also offers price adjustments that you can add to any worksheet for things such as freight, tax, design services. Once those have all been added to the worksheet, use any of our customizable reports to create a quote for your client. To help you close sales faster and enhance your presentations, launch Visual Impression directly from your worksheet to create a fast and easy 3D rendering for your client. 3 tools, a seamless workflow. For more information or to schedule a demo, you can reach our sales department at 1-800-227-0038. To learn more about 2020 Worksheet and 2020 Visual Impression, please visit our YouTube channel.